the plan is a workout plan. The workout is, like a given session of a workout. So that could be like a push and a push-pull leg. Could be a chest day and a bro split. An exercise, the bench press, the pull-up. But the thing is with an exercise is that it can go into many different workouts. A push session and a chest day will both contain a bench press exercise. And so the exercise entry represents the exercise, the workout, under which workout as the instance. So it represents a specific exercise that appears in a workout to track the sets and reps. Now, to track the sets and reps, obviously, it has a one-to-many relationship with the exercise set. And the exercise set tracks the set and reps and the weight used. And that is my model.